As a community at Grebel, we like to give back, and this is just one practical way we can do it as students.
Yeah, it's fun on a Monday night. Group of students coming together, making some food. It's a good activity, and it helps some other people at Ray of Hope. So it's a win-win, really. Lots of fun.
I've had a lot of experience in the past. I've had the opportunity of going on trips to interact with some homeless people, and that was a really rewarding experience, and it's become something that's really close to my heart. So I love to kind of support that cause in whatever way I can, so this was a good opportunity to do that.
The Grebel community really does support biblical values as far as I've experienced it, and so, you know, it's really important to serve. And so when the Feed to the Five group comes here to ask for volunteers, it's important that we serve and give back to the community and help each other, and that's why I'm doing it. And that's, I'm sure, why others are doing it too.